Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce your export file size without losing quality. It's super simple, let's get started. Once your video is ready to go, click on Export. Or press Ctrl M on PC, or on Mac Command M. That opens up your export settings. As you can see down here, the estimated file size is half a gigabyte. But under Preset, you'll usually see Match Source Adaptive High Bitrate. That gives you high quality exports, but it also creates large file sizes. To reduce the size, change it to Match Source Adaptive Low Bitrate. This keeps your resolution and frame rate the same, but lowers the bitrate, which is the main factor that affects file size. It still looks great for YouTube or social media, and the file is way smaller. As you can see, the estimated file size is now a little bit less than 150 megabytes.
That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.